Let's install it. On our GitHub, open the Setup Windows folder and download the install Qwen-Image file. After the download, right-click the file, go to Properties, and check Unblock. Double-click to run. It installs everything on its own: models, workflows, and dependencies. Total download is about 74 gigabytes. Both UNet versions, FP8 and BF16, plus the full clip, the Lightning LoRA, and the VAE. Depending on your connection, this can take a while. Good time for a coffee. When it finishes, press any key or close the terminal. To launch Comfy UI, double-click Run NVIDIA GPU. On the left sidebar, open Workflows. Go to Comfy Workflow, Image, Qwen. 10 workflows ready to use. Each workflow is a different variant. FP8, BF16, Lightning. Same prompt across all of them to compare side by side. Each of the 10 images is a variant. FP8 or BF16, quality or Lightning, in 5 different aspect ratios. Lightning renders in a few seconds. Quality takes longer but preserves more detail. The prompt tests Qwen's strength, rendering text in the coffee foam. When it's done, open the output folder to check the generated images. And now, onto the comparison. Qwen-Image 2512. A budget 3060 just beat a flagship 5090. Lightning 4-step does it. Let us look at the hardware. Same prompt, 3 NVIDIA cards, 4 modes. At 1328 by 1328 native bucket, FP8 quality 50 steps. 5090 lands at 78 seconds. 4090 at 110, 3060 timed out beyond 10 minutes. Lightning 4-step is a different story. On the 5090, quality takes 78 seconds. Lightning takes 5. 15 times faster, same composition, same anatomy. Multi-agent visual review passes. Now the variants. 4 modes across 3 cards. FP8 plus BF16, quality plus Lightning. Lightning roughly 15 times faster. BF16 quality adds 23% on the 5090, 74% on the 4090. On the 3060, both quality timed out. 3 prompts: Mustang at night, weathered fisherman, dewdrop macro. Lightning preserves composition, anatomy, prompt following. Loss confined to microtexture and refraction nuance. Iterate on Lightning, re-render winners on quality. Pick your tier. 3 tiers, clear picks. RTX 3060, default to Lightning, 34 seconds warm, beats a 5090 on quality. RTX 4090, balanced sweet spot, Lightning for iteration, quality for finals. RTX 5090, quality default, BF16 for archival masters. Lightning unlocks the tier. Coming next, Hunyuan, HiDream, FLUX 2, WAN. 4 more model families, same research first audit. Phase 1.7 methodology and sources linked below. 64 cells, 3 GPUs, 0 OM. Multi-agent QA 4 for 4 pass. Comfy workflow on GitHub.